Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can get the high resolution videos in Capcut PC. I think Capcut is one of the best video editing application because there are many features in it, and one of the best is that you can make your video better quality with 4K. So how you can get a 4K video quality? You are just going to click the export button after you finish editing the video, and you can see for the resolution option, just select the 4K for the resolution. And you can also change for the bitrate, codec format, and anything here, and just click export and see for the best video quality, the best video better quality with 4K in your exported. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.